going on, guys? We got my friend Alex here in his S3. Oh no, not SC400. My bad. SC400. About to put on the lip. Say what's up, dog?
What's up, dog?
Oh, all right. Yeah, this is
all over my face.
the lip we gonna put on.
TRD.
TRD.
Well, that's what it is. It's supposed to be, I guess, like the TRD replica. It's not like the real thing, of course, you know, because it's like, you know, it's a copy of it. But that's what it's supposed to be.
It's
like,
cool.
It's supposed to be like the super lip.
Fucking A. It's gonna look clean when it comes out.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, when are you gonna put a 2J in this bitch?
I don't know if I want to, bro. Maybe I want to stick to the one you see.
It's pretty clean, guys. That's the problem, though. When are you gonna change that out?
What?
The automatic gearbox, bro.
Fuck. I don't know. Sometimes, you know, I think sometimes automatics are better than like manuals.
Ooh.
Especially if you're dragging. I mean, not if you're gonna be drifting it, of course. You know, you go through the gears. But if you're gonna be dragging, I think automatics are.
Sweet. Well, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and adjust the coils.
Oh yeah. Surprise. Yeah.
Oh, are we doing your fuel pump too?
This shit right. Well, if you want to help me.
Well, yeah, we can do that kind of, we can knock it out.
Got this AM.
Oh, okay.
In tank fuel pump. Nothing special. You know. Just a little something.
Nothing.
You know, it's an old car. You know.
Gotta give it some love.
It's gonna need some love. It's gonna need a new pump. So, I mean, can't. Probably still good, the pump that's in there, but just to be extra.
Woo! These are fresh. Got the harness bar back here. Nice. Cool. But we're gonna go ahead and install this lip, and then we'll go ahead and pop off the wheels and adjust his coils, and if he has enough time to do his fuel pump, then we'll go ahead and knock that out too. So, cool. Here we go. Oh, it looks good. Dope. Looks pretty clean. So yeah, obviously, you know, just pulled it up from right there.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty much it, guys, right here. The lip. Just has to fasten on the couple nuts, and that's pretty much it. And we're gonna proceed popping off the wheels to lower his car. Wait, are you gonna lower it, or are you gonna raise it? Oh, to raise it.
To be, it's already low. That lip is gonna be.
Yeah, true.
That much more lower.
True. You're gonna break it off. The fuck? Oh, you're missing one.
Yeah.
That's cool. Nice. Cool. 1 down, 3 to go. Let's go. Alright, so now that we popped off the wheels, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these coils. So, Alex doesn't have spanner wrenches, so we're gonna use the good old flathead and hammer to go ahead and break away. Oh, you do have one?
Of course I do.
Oh,
I mean,
alright.
yeah, it's not in the best shape, but
Go ahead,
I have one at least. It's probably too much. But... Even if I adjust it now, like the spring rate and everything, when it all compresses, this is gonna be different. So, that's for the front end. Let's move on to the rear.
Time to do the rear. You get the size you want it?
Height?
Yeah, there you go, height.
Well, we'll see. You know? I mean, I'm
Fucking
only guessing here, so
Fucking it, we'll see how good your guessing is.
I'm gonna go to the next side.
Yeah. Well, we'll just go ahead and do it, and then once we're all done, we'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks at the end. I don't want to bore you with that.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it's the same process, front and back, either way. So, I mean, you just saw us do back, front and back. It's gonna be the same thing on the other side.
Cool. Let's get it. Cool. We finished adjusting them, so we're gonna go ahead and pop on the wheels and drop it and see how it goes. Cool. So let's see how it looks then.
We'll see how it looks when it's all the way down.
All right.
It's kind of looking monstrous right
Guys,
there.
fucking, you're fisting this bitch. Look at that. Holy fuck.
Here we go, man. Yeah, I need to buy bigger tires. But
no, it's actually not that bad.
I think
to
it's
be honest with
alright.
you. Honestly, it's fine. I mean, to me, I mean, I think it's fine.
I mean, I'm not one of those
It's not
guys that likes his car freaking scraping on the ground type of guy. So.
3 fingers.
3 fingers?
Yeah. Let's see.
3 fingers.
Oh, that's perfect.
Perfect. Yeah,
Yeah.
I measured it.
I mean, look. I mean, with the
exactly. So.
I mean, with the lip. I mean, it already makes it look lower than what it is.
Well, that's because that's what's, yeah. That's what it's
Yeah,
supposed to be.
dude. Actually, looks. It's not bad, dude. You fucking did it on point.
Thanks, man.
Fucking A. The rear, fucking. I think the rear is perfect too. I mean,
3 fingers, 2 fingers.
nah, it's 2 fingers.
That's perfect.
Yeah, dude. I mean,
Because those
you-
are fatter tires and
Yeah.
than the front ones. That's why. These are actually 245, 40.
yeah, no, the fucking fitment is pretty good. Let's get a booty shot.
Oh, you gotta close that trunk.
Hold on. Someone's enjoying the fact that weed is now legal.
California.
You have your keys?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, dude, that's sick.
Yeah.
That's sick. That's good. That's good fitment. And it's even all around.
Yeah.
Clean, dude.
This floor's even, so as long as the floor's even.
No, it's even. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like it, like the video. If you guys didn't like it, don't like the video. I don't care. I'm just doing it for fun, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm not trying to get rich off of this shit or anything. I just like editing and, you know, recording and kicking it with the homies. So, yeah. Cool. Subscribe if you're not. Don't subscribe if you don't want to.
Like and subscribe, you guys. Come on.
Cool. Laters.